Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm going to take you on a journey that will help you understand the sustainability action process. My school, Bexhill Public School, and other schools in the Northern Rivers worked on a project called the Climate Clever Energy Savers with Darrowby Environmental Education Centre. Making the case for change. The first step in making the case for change involved researching how energy is created. Dunham Public School had a visit from their local electrician.
That's it, start generating the power, that's right. And the power goes through here and finally gets to the end and lights up the light.
The energy trailer from Darrowby EEC visited each of the schools so we could learn about different energy alternatives.
Oh, it was there.
Richmond River High had a guest speaker from the community who told us about solar thermal power stations and the idea of community solar. We explored our school's energy use by completing an energy audit.
There's good reasons to change what we're doing. So how do we do it? The first thing we do, and what we're going to do today, is we're going to do an energy audit. How much does your school pay a month for electricity? Air conditioning or heating your hot water and lights. That's where you can save money. That's the place to try and save money. You guys in groups of 5 are going to go around and everyone's going to have an iPad and you're going to start entering data. That's looking at cost. Is that a lot, you reckon?
Oh, yeah.
Because it's on all the time. You don't switch it off in the school holidays either.
This web graph here shows us how much energy we use each month. I can see we use energy even when we're not here.
Defining the scope for action. After we collected all our information, each school used a SWOT analysis to develop ideas and solutions to climate change impacts.
kilowatt solar system would completely cover your energy.
And look at strengths and weaknesses, opportunities and threats.
Yeah.
So probably the cost of that's going to be a threat.
Developing the proposal for action.
After our SWOT analysis, we prioritised our ideas and created an energy saving action plan. This is the plan we will communicate to the school.
Now that we've made our assembly presentation, we look forward to seeing a difference in our energy consumption.
Wondering if P&C would help with the fundraising for the solar panel?
Yep, certainly sounds like a good
Great idea.
Implementing the proposal. At Bexhill, our actions included growing vegetables to reduce food miles and planting trees in the north-facing classroom. We also purchased lux meters.
With the lux meters, if it's 160 lux, it means we don't need the lights on.
Some of our neighbouring schools also came up with some great ideas.
We made these posters for people to realise to turn off the electricity and the fans and lights so we can save power.
Okay, so we put thermometers in every classroom and posters next to them in every classroom. Wake up in the morning, listen to my warning about global warming. If you have a shower for half an hour, that's wasting power. We've shown the video at the Southern Cross University.
We also showed it at the Year 6 farewell last year.
And at our festival called Music in the Valley.
And it's also on YouTube and our school website.
Reflecting and evaluating. We reported our progress to the whole school.
Sustainability! Our achievements from those various things was the greenhouse has been covered with a shade cloth. We have planted trees to provide shade during the weekend working with our parents. Each class has been turning off lights at lunch times and only turning on the lights if the rooms are too dark.
At the end of October this year, our total amount payable was $2,347. Our average daily usage is now down to 74 kilowatt hours.
After the project, we evaluated our actions.
We've got the whole community on board with us, which is a great thing to have, and they can actually see there's a real purpose to this program.
As soon as the kids started to understand that they could make a difference, and as soon as they were monitoring what was going on in the school community, you could tell that they were going home and doing exactly the same thing at home. They became more aware than I was of what power was being used, and they became very vigilant about it. And there were times when I actually had to explain to them it's okay to use power when you actually need it. It's wasting power that we don't want to do.